What's inside? What's in the inside? Why is it gooey? You don't want it anymore? I'm gonna eat it. Okay, hi guys. So I got back from Vancouver about 4 days ago now. It's currently Friday and I have been feeling a little bit under the weather, and I don't know if it's COVID or just like my allergies. I'm gonna take a rapid test. I thought that would be a good idea to document it. I have no idea how to do the rapid test. My nose is running so much. It could very well be allergies because my nose is incredibly itchy. Just to know if it is COVID or not, I'm gonna do a test. Do I know how to do it? No, we're gonna read the instructions together. It's kind of a lot. I'm gonna do 2. I have gotten a COVID test done probably almost 2 years ago. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so many instructions to this thing. That's in French. Before collecting the sample, place the extraction tube into the tube stand so it stands upright. Okay. That's what I mean by like me sneezing all the time. Oh my god. This sounds like a nightmare. Take a look at these. Okay, get this tube. And place it here. I hope I'm doing that right. I'm gonna add the whole thing. Is that a good idea? I don't fucking know. Remove the swab from its packaging. Gently insert the swab into the nostril. I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna break this off, I'm pretty sure. Please don't spill. Like, I don't have patience. Okay. Please don't spill. Please don't spill. Please don't spill. Please don't spill. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, God. Remove. I have to sneeze again. Tilt 70 degrees. How am I supposed to know what 70 degrees is? I guess this is like 90, so it's like, okay, cool. We all get to endure the pain that is doing a COVID test. Oh my god. I'm literally crying. I literally have like tears rolling down my eyes, rolling down my eyes, rolling down my face. Like, oh my god. It didn't hurt. Like, oh my god. I'm crying. Oh my god, like I'm literally just crying. It literally didn't hurt at all. I'm just crying. Oh, okay. It's been a minute. Now, I feel like I'm doing a fucking science experiment. Now it says to take this and like squeeze out, dispose of that, put on this like little lid thing. I feel like I'm literally doing like a science experiment right now. Oh my god, great. Take one of these babies and put 3 drops in that little circle. Set a 15-minute timer. It's kind of cool because there's like color. Can you see that? It's like doing its thing. Oh, I'm nervous. I just realized that this is gonna take 15 minutes. So I will report back in 15 minutes. Well, I just tested positive for COVID. So this is actually like the 2nd time this year that I've caught COVID. I love that for me. So here we go again.